Hello everyone, this is the part 4 of door character creating. I will show you how to make a character to move in Mixamo, which is a free tool of Adobe. It is a website. If you have a 3D character file, which is FBX or OBJ or zip file, you can upload your file and it will change it into animations. Then you can download or send it to Airo, which is the Adobe's AR application. So let's start. I noticed that in order to upload properly, the character should be in a default or neutral pose. So I need to put her hands up. Okay, that's the preparation. And if you export objects from Magicavoxel, it will export all of the objects. Like if you name it export, it will be export -1, -2, etc. So we need to find it easily. So I name it export, and later you will find a file named export-export, which is what we need. Export it into OBJ files and delete the other objects. Then zip these 3 files into one. Access to Mixamo and upload the zip file. Locate the chin and other parts of your character so that Mixamo will recognize it. It will take some time. Nothing shows, there must be something wrong. I opened a FAQ page and noticed that the character should be centered in the scene. So let's save another Voxel file so that it will be centralized by default. So that's it. And upload the zip file again. Oh, works this time. She is curious. Who am I? Where am I? However, elbows and knees look so weird. I have to do something about that. Actually, we didn't create that 2 parts. So let's add these elbows and knees. And upload again. Whoa, it looks much better. She's so cute. And that's it. You can see there are much animations on the left, such as walking or dancing. You can set the animation speed, even enthusiasm, on the right panel. Since this character passed the animation test, we are safe to edit her appearance, like make another hairstyle, or download this file for further edit, such as Blender or Adobe Aero. If you like this video, please consider subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon at the next video. Bye.